Good morning, class. I am Elena Rosana Borilla, and today I am going to read a short story about the monkey and the turtle.
The Turtle and the Monkey. The turtle and the monkey are best friends. The turtle is kind and helpful, but the monkey is cunning and witty. One day, the cat gave them a fish.
Meow, meow. Turtle, monkey, here, eat this fish for snacks.
Wow! Thank you, Aling Muning.
You're welcome. Okay, I go ahead and eat well.
Maching, let eat this.
It smells like Russian turtle. I'll have it first and I'll taste it to make sure it's still good before you eat it.
Here, eat it first.
The monkey began to taste the fish. As he tasted it, he ate all the fish.
I'm sorry, my friends, turtle. The food was very delicious. There's nothing to left.
Because the turtle is kind and patient, he did not arguing with his friends monkey. On their tour on the forest, turtle saw a banana trees.
Wow! That banana tree is so beautiful. Maching, look.
You're right, turtle.
I want to plant that in my yard so that when it bears fruit, we can eat it.
Me too. I like the tree, turtle. Can I have it?
Okay, let's just split it, Maching.
Mine is the upper part of the tree, the part with leaves. I don't want to grow more leaves. Waiting is so tiring.
Okay, fine, my friend Monkey. I'll get the lower part. I'll just do my best to grow it.
You will wait for a long time for that, turtle. No matter. You are used to being slow and waiting. Ha 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 ha.
The monkey went home very happy, carrying the leafy part of the tree, while turtle was so sad as he carrying the lower part of the rooted tree. While turtle was planting his plant, Tamaraw suddenly came.
What are you doing, Turtle? I am planting the lower part of the rooted banana tree. Oh, then why you look so upset, Turtle? Because I got this lower part of the tree while matching was the lefty upper part of the tree. Don't you worry, Turtle. Your plant will grow better because it has roots. Take good care of it and it will definitely invigorate. Really? Thanks, Tamara.
Turtle took care of his plant. He watered it every day. The monkey does the same, but a few days later, the monkey's banana plants withered.
Why does my plant withered?
While Turtle, on the other hand, was so happy to see the emerging leaf on his plants. He took good care of the plants until it bore abundant fruits. Monkey was so jealous when he saw the banana fruits in Turtle plant.
Yours is better than mine. It bears fruit. How did that happen? Why mine is weathered and dried up?
I took good care of it, Maching. Tamaraw said that plants will really grow if it has roots.
Ha, okay right, turtle. Let's eat the fruit, turtle, my friends. It took ripe and delicious.
Alright, But I can't climb the tree, my friends, the monkey. The tree is so high, I can't reach the tree.
I will go up, my friend Turtle, and I will drop the fruit on you.
Okay, my friend, thank you.
When the monkey reached the top of the tree, he ate all the fruits, leaving nothing for the turtles.
Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum.
Maching, my friend, please drop me some fruits.
I'm very sorry, Turtle. I was so hungry. I've eaten all the bananas. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
The monkey fell asleep because he was so full. The turtle was very angry, so while monkey was sleeping, he put thorns under the tree. When monkey woke up, he saw the thorns, so he asked turtle for help.
Turtle, my friends, please help me. Take away the thorns down there. It's going to be night and looks like it's gonna rain. Help me.
No way, Turtle, because you're so selfish and you only think about yourself. Just stay there and I'll go home. It's gonna rain any moment.
Turtle, please don't leave. Help me, my friends. Turtle, hey, help me, Turtle. A moment after, heavy rain began to fall. The monkey didn't have a choice but to go down from banana tree.
Ouch! Ouch! Ouch!
Monkey moped in extreme pain from the sharp thorns.
I will revenge you, Turtle. Be ready.
The next day, even though monkey's wood still painful, he looked for Turtle. He saw him in the woods. The monkey took Turtle, who was terrified of him.
Let me go, my monkey friend. What will you do to me?
Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. I will grind you finely, Turtle. Ha ha ha.
Turtle thought of a way to defeat cunning monkey.
My friend, if you grind me, I'll just multiply. Ha 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 ha. And I'll beat you, kick you. You want that?
Monkey thought about that.
Well then, I burn you to ashes.
Do you feel my shell you're holding? It cannot be touched by fire and its thickness and durability.
Monkey thought again until he thought of doing to the beach.
I'll just throw you on the beach until you drown.
The turtle secretly rejoiced. He pretended to be afraid of the beach.
My friend Turtle, don't have mercy on me. I don't like to be in the water. Please have mercy on me.
The monkey was very happy. He thought that he could get revenge on Turtle. Monkey threw Turtle with all his strength. He was angry to see that Turtle could swim. He moved fast in the water. He moved so fast in the water.
Finally, I tricked you, monkey. I really love swimming. On the beach, it feels so good to soak in the water. Come, my friends, let's swim. Ha ha ha. Ooh, ee.
The monkey came home sad. He felt how hurt it is being fooled and tricked by a friend. Since then, Monkey has changed. He never saw Turtle again. Even though Monkey is smart, it can be tricked too.